The arms of the cutting machine, they operate powerfully and precisely, moving quickly to cut each piece of vegetables perfectly. Each time the blade sharpens, the vegetable slices are cut with great precision. Each piece is even and uniform in color. The cutter's arms not only cut quickly, but also maintain the uniformity and quality of each piece of vegetable. This process not only saves time but also creates standard pieces of vegetables, ready for preparing delicious and nutritious dishes. Watch the blade operate powerfully and gracefully, like a sculptor creating his work on a sunrise scene. Each time the blade descends, it cuts through the carrot softly, yet ensuring precision and uniformity. The feel of each cut is a symbol of craftsmanship and delicate adjustment. Imagine a fresh scene when a sophisticated and modern device cuts fruits quickly and powerfully. With each cut, fresh fruit slices are separated naturally and smoothly, retaining their freshness and sweetness without damaging their shape or quality. It's not just a cutting process, but a demonstration of sophistication and professionalism. Each precise and quick movement of this device creates regular and attractive slices of fruit, making anyone who sees it admire and want to enjoy. Admire the wonderful beauty of the golden lemons growing on the conveyor belt. Each fruit is like a precious gem shining in the cool green space. The lemons are trimmed evenly and beautifully, like small gems with natural beauty and intense vitality. The bright color and pleasant scent of lemon radiate in gentle waves, making the surrounding space feel refreshing and fresh. The conveyor belt moves gently and smoothly, carrying lemons like precious gems in the hands of a sculptor. Each lemon is like a work of art, a perfect combination of nature and humans, giving us a feeling of satisfaction when we see it. Have you ever felt inconvenient and time-consuming having to peel corn before enjoying it? Let me tell you about a more convenient and faster way to enjoy the special taste of corn. During the preparation of corn on a modern production line, corn peeling has been automated to bring convenience and save time for everyone. Looking at the image of the line, you will see professional robot arms working delicately and accurately, removing corn husks step by step. A symphony composed of perfect teamwork. When the painting skill reaches a new level, he was kicking in the carpet just like riding a bike. There are many ways to improve coordination between your hands and eyes. The domino game and construction always brings undeniable excitement to the workers. Decorative columns can be created with just simple tools. Say hello to Paul Bunyan from the East. This worker was lining up many of cement bags. Therefore on farms, each python is kept in separate cages to ensure safety. Depending on the weight of the python, the cage is designed in different sizes. Python farming areas need to meet wastewater standards and ensure cage hygiene to avoid skin diseases in python. In some areas with hot summer weather, taking care of your python's health is essential. They must be bathed every day to cool their bodies and prevent some parasitic bacteria on the python's skin. Feeding pythons also needs to ensure enough weight and nutrients. Food for python includes chickens, ducks, frogs, or mice. Pythons' instincts often like to eat moving prey, but farms often train them to eat processed foods such as chicken and pork. Many studies have shown that raising pythons helps save on food costs than raising livestock and poultry, because they do not need to be fed regularly. Feed once every 5 to 7 days. Pythons raised for 1 year can grow from 10 to 15 kilograms if well cared for. Therefore, commercial python farming not only brings high economic value to people, but it also saves costs and minimizes negative impacts on the environment. Adult pythons have an average size of 4 to 6 meters long and weigh from 10 to 40 kilograms depending on the python species. Many animals weigh from 60 to 70 kilograms. The larger the animals, the higher the value in python skin production. Each year farms provide about 3 to 4 tons of commercial pythons for python skin production facilities. The process of harvesting python skin requires experienced workers. Avoiding tearing bickers, it will reduce the value of the python skin. When removing skin,